Hey traders, officialjohnhow.com, and in this video we're going to talk about best stock market trading systems. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's get into it. Before I do talk about what in this video, what we're talking about here, let's actually, what I want to say is that this is general advice only. You know, make sure that you take what you learn from about to say in this video and apply it to your own trading, okay? Don't just trade what I'm saying here, because there's emotional mastery, there's trade management, money management, there's a whole wide range of things which makes you a really good trader, okay? So just be intelligent about what you're actually doing when it comes to trading, okay? That's not a disclaimer, that's because I actually really care for what you're actually going through and what you want to do in trading, okay? So the best stock market trading systems. I've actually traded myself. I've traded a lot of things from reversals, you know, from looking at divergence setups to crossover moving averages to double tops, double bottoms, head and shoulders. You name it. You know, looking at 3-month trends, and you know, and looking at reversal bars. You know, so for example, this one here, if this was a reversal bar, you get in here and you know, and all that sort of stuff, and you're looking for divergence on the stochastics, and you're looking for, you know, all that sort of stuff. But as I've gone through over now 10 years of my trading career, and we're talking about the best stock market trading systems, the best stock market trading systems that I have found have been a continuation of a trend that is in place. A continuation of a trend that is in place. And how I found about that, and how I see that, is if you see a trend a continuation that with a trend that is in place, is by using a couple of different moving averages. Now let me just remove the 5 here for a minute, because it's not really necessary. I use that for more entries and exits and stuff like that. But if you just use a couple of different moving averages on your screen, you can actually see what happens here, right? If the moving averages are starting to go in together really tight, what's happening to the market, right? It's very tight. So is it a really good, is there any real strong trend here at the moment? There's not, right? And the fact of the matter is what's happening here is the market goes down, the market might have a bit of a pullback, and then the market goes down again. It just goes in sequences, right? So this period through here, you wouldn't want to touch it, because there's no real true strong trend in place. You know what I mean? You know, and if you see the market drop down through here, and then the market starts to pick back up, now you're starting to talk about, okay, now we're starting to break out of the sideways, we're starting to get some moving averages pointing down, and now we're starting to get some trends, the trend in place. Do you know what I mean? So if I actually just bring up, I'm going to bring up a different list here. Oh, you can't see it on the screen, but I'm going to show you some things here. Let me just show you just one here. Here we go. Okay, cool. All right, so here's just one recently here's a trade recently that I did, right? So you can actually see, and I want to show you this here. You actually can see that we had the moving averages were coming close together. The market was going sideways, right? Then the market started breaking down, step down, came down, step down, and then came down again, right? Look what's happening here. You wouldn't want to get involved with this here because the market's sideways. The market drops down, and you want to see the moving averages pointing down, and now we've got a trend in place, right? So now you know you're jumping on a trend. The market pops up, it starts to turn around through here, and you see the stochastics starting to turn around here, and then you see the market starting to drop off. Makes sense? So you want to be able to use obviously a momentum indicator such as moving averages to tell you when we're in a trend and when we're just going sideways. And the next thing you want to be able to use a momentum oscillator. This is a momentum indicator, this is a momentum oscillator to determine when a really good turning point in the market could be in the time. You can see here, right, if I just take everything off the screen again, this is actually a trade that I did do. You actually can see here, right, the moving average is down. This here was a whole nice turning point because we're seeing the momentum oscillator, such as the stochastics, to help you with a good turning point. Makes sense? So what I want you to do right now, guys, is I've actually released a brand new course called Grab the Markets by the Balls course. It's up here. You can click on that link up here, and what that's going to do, it's 12 videos, 12 hours long, teaching you everything from charting techniques to the mistakes to trading systems and a whole lot more to really help you get ahead. You know, and I really know you're gonna get a lot out of it. So click on that. You're gonna go over there, get it for free. So John Howell here, officialjohnhow.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.